Hello, future grade 7 students and scholars. Are you ready to ace the high school entrance exam? If you're an incoming grade 7 student who dreams of getting into one of the best science high schools in the country, then this video is for you. Today, we'll go through 10 essential science questions, covering biology, chemistry, physics, and earth science. I'll explain each answer so you can fully understand the concepts and boost your confidence before exam day. So grab your pen and notebook, and let's get started. Let's start with our first question. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a characteristic of living things? A. Growth. B. Respiration. C. Inability to adapt. D. Response to stimuli. You may pause the video while analyzing the question. The correct answer is letter C. Inability to adapt. Living things must adapt to their environment to survive. If an organism cannot adapt, it may not be able to live in a changing environment. That's why adaptation is one of the key characteristics of life. Question number 2. Which part of the cell controls the passage of substances in and out? A. Nucleus. B. Cell membrane. Y heavy check mark. C. Cytoplasm. D. Mitochondria. The correct answer is letter B. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable structure that regulates what enters and exits the cell. It is made up of a phospholipid bilayer, which allows small molecules like oxygen and water to pass through while controlling the entry of larger or harmful substances. Why not the others? Nucleus controls the cell's activities but does not regulate substances. Cytoplasm, a gel-like fluid that holds organelles but does not control entry/exit. Mitochondria produces energy ATP, but does not regulate substances. Question number 3. Which gas do plants take in during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is letter B. Carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide (CO2) from the air during photosynthesis, a process that converts sunlight into food, glucose. This occurs in the chloroplasts of plant cells. During this process, plants release oxygen, O2, as a byproduct. Why not the others? Oxygen. Plants release this, not absorb it, during photosynthesis. Nitrogen, essential for plant growth, but not used in photosynthesis. Hydrogen, present in water but not directly absorbed as a gas. Question number 4. What is the process by which water changes from a gas to a liquid? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Sublimation. D. Freezing. The correct answer is letter B. Condensation. Condensation happens when water vapor, gas, cools and changes back into liquid form. This process is responsible for cloud formation and morning dew on grass. Why not the others? Evaporation is the opposite of condensation. Liquid changes to gas. Sublimation is solid changing to gas, e.g. dry ice. Freezing is liquid turning into a solid, e.g. water into ice. Question number 5. Which of the following is an example of a physical change? A. Burning paper. B. Rusting of iron. C. Melting ice. D. Cooking an egg. The correct answer is letter C. Melting ice. A physical change alters the state of matter without changing its chemical composition. A physical change alters the form of a substance but does not change its chemical composition. When ice melts, it remains water, H2O, only its state, solid to liquid, changes. Why not the others? Burning paper is a chemical change. New substances, ash, CO2, form. Rusting of iron is a chemical reaction with oxygen, oxidation. Cooking an egg, these proteins undergo a permanent chemical change. Question number 6. Which body system is responsible for transporting nutrients and oxygen to cells? A. Digestive system. B. Respiratory system. C. Circulatory system. Y heavy check mark. D. Nervous system. The correct answer is C. Circulatory system. Explanation: the circulatory system, heart and blood vessels, transports oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. 7. Which layer of the Earth is the thickest? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. The correct answer is letter B. Mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer, making up about 84% of Earth's volume. It lies beneath the crust and consists of semi-solid rock that moves slowly, causing tectonic activity. Why not the others? Crust is the thin outermost layer, only 5 to 70 kilometers thick. Outer core is the liquid but not as thick as the mantle. Inner core is the solid but much smaller than the mantle. Question number 8. What force pulls objects toward the center of the Earth? A. Friction. B. Gravity. C. Magnetism. D. Buoyancy. The correct answer is letter B. Gravity. Gravity is the force that attracts objects toward the center of the Earth. This is why things fall downward when dropped and why planets stay in orbit around the Sun. Why not the others? Friction is a force that resists motion, not an attractive force. Magnetism only affects magnetic materials, not all objects. Buoyancy opposes gravity in liquids but does not pull objects down. Question number 9. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondrion. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Lysosome. The correct answer is letter B. Mitochondrion. The mitochondrion is called the powerhouse of the cell because it generates adenosine triphosphate, ADP, the energy currency of the cell. Cells need ADP to carry out various functions, such as movement and growth. Why not the others? Ribosome makes proteins, not energy. Golgi apparatus packages and transports proteins. Lysosome breaks down waste but does not generate energy. Question number 10. What is the basic unit of matter? A. Molecule. B. Atom. White heavy check mark. C. Proton. D. Electron. The correct answer is letter B. Atom. The atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. Atoms consist of protons, positive, neutrons, neutral, and electrons, negative. Atoms combine to form molecules. Why not the others? Molecule made up of 2 or more atoms. Proton, a subatomic particle inside an atom, not a basic unit itself. Electron, a part of an atom, but not a standalone unit of matter. And that's it for today's science review. I hope you found this session helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so go over these questions again and try answering them without looking at the answers next time. Also, don't forget to review your math and English subjects to prepare for the exam. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more review materials. Let's make learning fun and easy together. Good luck on your high school entrance exam, and see you in the next video. Keep learning, future high school students.